Hello friends, I am Sopan Suryavanshi. I welcome back to my Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, if you have come first time on my Be Cognizant YouTube channel, then subscribe to my Be Cognizant YouTube channel for watching such type of more and more programs on your mobile. Friends, I give my special thanks to Mr. Vittal Wadekar sir, Rahul Wagmare sir and Rahul Bhujbal sir and this YouTube channel for commenting on Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Your one comment, one like and one share can motivate us, and I get a special energy to create such type of more and more programs on my channel. Friends, in this session I am going to tell you the importance of hard work and planning. For telling the importance of hard work and planning, I am going to tell you a short story of the ant and the grasshopper. The hard-working ant spent his summer in collecting food. Meanwhile, the grasshopper spent his days in singing and dancing without care. When winter arrived, the ant had plenty of food, while the grasshopper had to struggle to find something to eat. This story teaches that the importance of hard work and planning. Procrastination and by being prepared, we can enjoy happy and secure life. Procrastination and laziness, on the other hand, lead to difficulties. What can we learn from this story? Hard work and planning are key to success. Procrastination and laziness lead to difficulties. Hard work and planning is essential for secure life. Friends, if you want to build a castle in the sky, then build strong foundation on the ground. No pain, no gain. You will nothing get without hard work and planning. So friends, you have plenty of time. Don't waste your time. Make use of it for building the strong foundation for your dream. You must have to bring your dream into reality by taking hard work in your life. So friends, in this way, let me stop here. I will request to all of you to make use of comment box for reacting to my programs and support us. And if you really like our programs, then don't forget to connect more and more people to this channel. So friends, in this way, let me stop here. I hope you might have really liked today's motivational programs. In this way, let me stop here. See you soon in the next program. Till then, bye bye.